So friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of MSI Claw 8 AI. I finally have it here, and I bought this from Amazon. So it's quite expensive compared to ROG LIX on Amazon, of course, but it comes with a much better processor, which is comparable to Z2 Extreme processor. So we're going to see all of its features, and let me just quickly cut the seal first, and let's see. So this is very powerful. I am really excited about this handheld console, and it's very hard to get at MSRP price. So here is our cardboard box, and inside it we have our console. So it's a big boy, as you can see. It's a really big handheld compared to One X Fly F1 Pro. I will be comparing it with One X Fly F1 Pro in the future video, so stay tuned for that. We get inside the box we get a 65 watt USB Type-C charger. It only supports up to 65 watt, and it comes with 80 watt hour battery. See what else we get inside the box. We get a quick start guide and startup guide. So if you want to read this, it's up to you, but we actually don't need it, so it's quite easy to set this up. So here is our device, guys, and let's take a quick look at the design. On the top we have volume rocker buttons and headphone jack. We got two USB Thunderbolt 4 ports and SD card slot. Also we get power button with fingerprint scanner, and on the back it has 2M button and 2 fans, which is really nice to see. We also get Hall effect triggers and joystick, which is really nice to see, and the build quality is looking very premium. Actually, it looks very nice. It's quite heavy compared to the One X Fly F1 Pro, but it is due to the bigger size and bigger battery. So let me just quickly apply the screen protector, which is the first thing I will do on all of my handhelds. So after applying this screen protector, guys, it looks really amazing. I mean, this is a glossy version. You can get this. You can get the matte one as well. It's up to your personal preference, but this one is a really nice screen protector. You can buy this from Amazon. I will put the link in the description. So let's boot the device. After booting, we get our Windows 11 setup. I'm gonna skip this one, and we're gonna go straight into the OS. So I just set it up, and let's take a look at the front. We have 8 inches IPS LCD display with VRR support, and the resolution is 1080p by 1200p. And on the button, as you can see, we have RGB lighting on the buttons as well, which looks really nice. So let me just quickly put my Samsung 512GB SD card. Out of the box we get 1 terabyte of storage, which is nice, and you can expand that via micro SD card, or you can also change the SSD. So here is our MSI M Center. So let's take a quick look at the system information. Here, as you can see, Windows 11, Claw 8 AI Plus. Let's quickly talk about the specifications. It has Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and 32GB of RAM with 8 core 8 threads. So it's very fast, and the chipset is very efficient, Lunar Lake. So we are going to see that. And here, as you can see, the M Center, you can change the TDP here. And on the front we have our menu button and MSI Claw M Center button. It has total 4 buttons on the front. So let's quickly play Hades and Hades 2. And the performance looks amazing. I know it's not difficult to run this game, so I'm gonna be testing more games in the future video, so stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna be comparing it with the One X Fly F1 Pro. So far the screen quality looks amazing, guys, and the sound coming from the front speaker is also really nice. I'm gonna be uploading a full review later, so this is just an unboxing video. So far I really like the build quality of this device, and it's very comfortable to hold. And yeah, guys, if you like this video, click on that like button, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Allah Hafiz.